Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Multinational Company Jobs for Mechanical Engineers, 30th July 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for early career professionals. Early career professionals means freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience holders. Every Friday, we will upload new multinational company jobs for mechanical engineers here. And this week, in this video, we are included 5 multinational company jobs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers. So please watch the video till the end. In this, first one is National Oil Well Varco. Engineer Mechanical 1 at NOV International Corporation, Mumbai. NOV International Corporation, formerly National Oil Well Varco, is an American multinational corporation based in Houston, Texas. It is leading worldwide provider of equipment and components used in oil and gas drilling and production operations, oil field services, and supply chain integration services to the upstream oil and gas industry. The company conducts operation in more than 600 locations across 6 continents, operating through 3 reporting segments: rig technologies, wellbore technologies, and completion and production solutions. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Job ID is 2924. Job description: the successful candidate will be responsible for designing safe, cost-effective, and customer-focused industrial mixing equipment in 2D and 3D environment with an emphasis on quality and on-time delivery. Candidates must have the capacity to work closely with sales, marketing, and field support professionals to analyze and design products that will meet or exceed customer expectations while satisfying budgetary restrictions. Job description: utilize SolidWorks CAD software to create customer and production drawing, develop BOMs for newly designed or redesigned products for the production floor, willingness to work with production employees to troubleshoot design issues and instruct shop personnel on the assembly of new design, apply technical knowledge to innovate, analyze, design, and develop customized customer-centric products, ensure design documentation is accurate and kept up to date while driving design standardization across all product line, function effectively and meet deadlines with minimal supervisions, etc. Role is mechanical engineering. Industry type is oil and gas. Functional area is drilling and production operation. Employment type is full-time permanent. And how to apply: interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 1st September 2021. I will provide both website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Alpla, Telangana. Graduate engineering trainee at Alpla India Private Limited, Telangana. Alpla is an Austrian international acting plastic manufacturer specializing in blow molded bottles and caps, injection molded parts, performs, and tubes. By establishing and expanding strategic partnership, we are evolving into the preferred supplier. We thus offer peace of mind both to our employees and to our customers and partners. It is the largest producer of packaging in Europe with a total 178 production plants in over 45 countries worldwide, approximately 21,600 employees, and annual sales of 3.69 billion euros in 2020. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Location of posting will be in Telangana. Position responsibilities: efficiency and downtime monitoring, shift planning, manpower planning and management, in-process quality control checks, identification and traceability management, handling of non-conforming product batch control and effective material reconciliation, upkeep of plant machinery and infrastructure, maintaining 5 years shop floor area, QMS gap analysis and corrective action, change of management and control, etc. Other required competencies: BTech graduate 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch pass out, preferably mechanical, electrical, production and industrial or plastic engineering background from premier institutes. Flexibility to work across any ALPLA locations in India. Openness to work in any department allotted and in rotational shifts. Role is graduate engineering trainee. Industry type is plastic manufacturer. Functional area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Cost Global Bangalore. Mechanical engineer at Cost Global Bangalore. Cost Global, formerly Quality Engineering and Software Technologies, is a product engineering company in the aero engines, aerospace and defense, high-tech and industrial, medical devices, oil and gas, power and transportation verticals. With a presence of 13 countries, 55 global delivery centers and 11,450 plus personnel, Cost Global is at the forefront of the convergence of the mechanical, electronics, software and digital engineering innovations to engineer solutions for a safer, cleaner and sustainable world. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Location of posting will be in Bangalore. Job title is Mechanical Engineering, Oil and Gas. Essential job functions: becoming a leader in successful and fast growing global company. Support the client in design or technical documentation using product data management activities throughout the global product realization activities. Study the concept, design, development and production support. Checking ratings and other design attributes match the design requirements. Drawings reviewed for manufacturing feasibility, etc. Secondary job function: execution within multiple services, project management, execution and support, technical leadership and technical reviews, personal management, onboarding and professional development, collaborate and mentor cost team members, etc. Critical competencies: software, SolidWorks and AutoCAD, domain, oil and gas, manufacturing or any related experience, heavily regulated industries with strict adherence to procedures, flexibility to meet business guidelines, deadlines by staying late or arriving early, etc. Role is mechanical engineer. Function area is product engineering. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is ZF Group Hyderabad. Senior engineer, CAE engineer at ZF Group Hyderabad. ZF Group is a German car parts maker specializing in engineering. It is primarily known for its design, research and development and manufacturing activities in the automotive industry. ZF has 241 production locations in 41 countries with approximately 148,000 employees. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or early career. Job ID is 18696. Roles and responsibilities: main task as TCI simulation engineer for passive safety systems for passive safety products as airbags, steering wheels, seat belts, etc. Machining and building up of simulation models. Preparation of simulation load cases, calibration of simulation models to test results, support and development and enhancement of simulation methods, etc. Required qualification: engineering degree or adequate in the field of mechanical engineering, aerospace, civil engineering, physics, etc. Profound knowledge in engineering mechanics and finite element methods. Advanced tool and code know-how for Altair HyperWorks, LS Dyna, SimFolder, etc. Proficiency in English and to open to work in an international environment. Good communication and team working skill, self-dependent, structured and solution-oriented working, etc. Role is senior engineer, CAE engineer. Category automobile industry. So production manufacturing is function area. How to apply: interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Mechanical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide both links in my description also. Next is GE Vadodara, product quality specialist at GE Renewable Energy, Vadodara, Gujarat. GE Renewable Energy is a division of General Electric headquartered in Paris, France, focusing on production of energy from renewable sources. For more than 125 years, GE has invested the future of industry, and today the company's dedicated team, leading technology and global reach and capabilities help the world work more efficiently, reliably and safely. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or early career, that means 1 to 2 year experience. Job posting is on 25th July. Job IDs are 3580783. Job description summary: responsible for project operations and program support, including standardization, quality management, document management, method creation and maintenance, process improvement, and tools for project management functions, etc., subject to direct operation supervision or prescribed work instruction or system checking, etc. Roles and responsibilities: working together with the site management to ensure quality site data books completion, administration and distribution are properly organized and handled. Direction and supporting the site staff and the subcontractors on all quality issues. Performing internal site audits and supporting external audits at site. May be required to create ITTP related to the site works, etc. Required qualification: bachelor's degree in engineering, mechanical or electrical, good in mechanical fundamentals, experience 1 to 3 years, excellent written and oral communication, team player, positive and engaged contributor to the team, etc. Desired characteristics: strong commitment to the career in a technology and a passion for engineering, knowledge of inspection, measurement, qualification in NDT, demonstrated in analytic approach to problem solving, learning agility, etc. Role is project quality specialist. Category is GE Renewable Energy. Function area is renewable energy, onshore wind, global functions. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this job news video. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.